All right, guys, so I'm in the middle of work, and this is just a little filler here. Do you guys, when you're out in the shop, is there always just one thing that happens? No matter where you're at, what you're doing, there's always this one thing that happens. Me, my one thing is, I drink energy drinks. That's what I do. I got my little amino energies. Those damn things, if I've got one open, sitting on the bench, on a car, on top of my toolbox, anything, I can manage to spill it every time. I literally spill one every day, maybe multiples a day. I've got my drink all the way over there, and I'm sweeping things up and set my broom like this. I end up stepping on the broom. Rather than smacking me in the face, rather than hitting my vise, whatever, I managed to always knock this damn thing over. Brand new, freshly opened. It's all over the floor, all over my bench. I just cracked it open. Out of all the things on my bench that I could have knocked off on the damn floor, it's that damn energy drink. It literally happens like clockwork. It's almost like the man upstairs is just torturing me, like, stop drinking these damn things. Guess what? You keep spilling them on the floor, you can't drink them all. I don't get it, but it literally happens all the time. It's aggravating because it's a waste of money, but it's funny because I can't make it up how often it happens. And it will be the most random, like I could have one sitting here on the back of this car. I could be over here picking up my air hose, and I throw the air hose on the floor, and then the end of it breaks off and the hose whips around, and rather than break windows out of shit, it's gonna reach over to the car and it's gonna find my energy drink and she's gonna knock it off the back of the damn car. Clockwork. Anyways, I gotta get back to it.